Creating social media content can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. Maybe you have ideas, maybe you know you should post more often, but when it's time to actually write something, you simply don't know where to begin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create social media posts much faster using AI, step by step, inside the Simplified platform. And more importantly, I'll show you how this can help you stay consistent online, even if you don't have much time. Why content creation feels hard. One of the biggest struggles for beginners is not video editing, not design, not even technology. It's deciding what to post. You sit down, you open a blank page, and suddenly your mind goes empty. You overthink the headline, you rewrite the first sentence 5 times, and eventually you give up. Days pass, weeks pass, and your social media stays quiet. This is where many people lose momentum. That's why having a simple content system is so important. Introducing the AI Post Generator. Now let's take a look at how the AI Post Generator works. When you log into Simplified, you'll see different AI writing options. For example, social media captions, promotional posts, marketing messages, short content ideas, engagement posts. This means you don't have to start from zero. Instead of struggling for inspiration, you can use AI to generate multiple content ideas in seconds. Step-by-step post creation. Let's try a simple example. Type in a topic, something like AI content creation for beginners. Next, you can choose the tone of voice. You might select friendly, professional, motivational, educational. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate several post variations. And this is important. You don't have to use the text exactly as it is. You can edit it, personalize it, simplify it, add your own experience. This makes the content feel more natural. Why this is powerful for beginners. Many beginners believe they need perfect ideas, but in reality, what they need is consistency. Posting regularly builds visibility, trust, audience awareness. AI tools can remove the pressure of starting from scratch. They help you move from thinking to creating to publishing, and that shift alone can change your growth speed. Content batching strategy. Another powerful way to use this feature is content batching. Instead of writing one post every day, you can create several posts in one session. For example, you can generate 5 or even 10 posts in less than an hour. Then you simply schedule or publish them later. This reduces daily stress and helps you focus on bigger goals. Building a simple content system. Here's a simple workflow you can follow. Step 1, choose a content topic. Step 2, generate multiple AI post ideas. Step 3, edit and personalize the text. Step 4, publish or schedule the posts. Over time, this becomes a repeatable system, and systems are what help creators grow. Who should use this tool? This approach can be useful for beginner content creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, small business owners, online coaches. Basically, anyone who wants to create content faster without spending hours writing. If you'd like to try this AI content tool, you'll find a website link in the video description. When you sign up through my website, you'll also get a free PDF. There is a free plan available so you can explore the features without any risk. Sometimes the best way to learn is simply to test a new workflow and see how it fits your routine. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create visual designs using AI tools on the same platform. See you there.